Hello and welcome again. Today we are going to do addition and subtraction of fractions. So like we have done the basic of fractions, like what is a proper, what is improper, what is a mixed fraction, what is equivalent fraction, what is like, what is unlike. So still doubt you have in all this thing, the link of that all the videos are in the description box. You can watch that one first. So first we will add like fractions. Like fractions means if we have to add 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3. These are like when the denominator is same. That is like fraction. So it's very easy. What we do, simply we add the numerator. It means 2 plus 5 and that is going to be 3 only. So we got 5 plus 2 or 2 plus 5, we got 7 by 3. We have 2, 3, 4, 5 fractions, all are like. We do the same method. Now if we have more than 2, like 3 numbers, we do the same thing. All are like. So we just add 4 plus 2 plus 3. Add the numerator and this will be 5. Only one time 5 will come. 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 9 by 5. This is addition. I'll write here. This is addition. If we have to subtract or subtraction of like fraction, we do the same thing. If we have to subtract 4 by 5 and from 4 by 5 if I'm going to subtract 2 by 5, then the same thing, like fraction, simply minus we have, then do the subtraction of the numerator. This is 4, this is minus and then 5. So I got 2 by 5. If we have numbers like that, 10 by 7 minus 2 by 7 minus 3 by 7. We do the same method. First 10 by 7, like if you check, these are like fractions. This is 10. So 10 will come. Minus 2 will come. Minus 3 will come. And one time 7 will come. Now 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 3, 5. Then the answer is 5 by 7. So this is addition and subtraction of like fraction. This is very, very easy. But if we have like unlike fraction, then how we do addition and how we do subtraction? We just copy it. I'm going to erase this one. You can pause the video and you can copy. Now when we add the unlike fractions, suppose if we have to add 5 by 3 plus 7 by 6. Now 3 and 6, these are different numbers, they are unlike. So what we do, we find the LCM of 3 and 6. So we can find 3 and 6 LCM. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. Now we cannot simplify further, or like when we do what we do in the basics class, we can do like 2, not possible, 1, 1. So we got this 2. 3 into 2, 6. It means LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So we have to convert the denominator as 6. So 5 by 3. Now 3 I have to convert as 6. Simple. You can see here into 2. If I do into 2, I will get 6. And this is already 6. The denominator, so no need to do any changes. Now 5 into 2, I got 10 by 6 plus 7 by 6. Now the same thing, they became a like fraction. So add the numerator, 10 plus 7 by 6, I got 17 by 6. If we have 2 numbers, if we have 3 numbers, we are going to do the same thing. Just copy. So I can do for 3 fractions. You can pause again, you can copy. I'm going to erase it. Now I'm going to take 3 fractions. 4 by 3, 4 by 3 plus 5 by 4 plus 8 by 5. 3, 4, 5. So again I'm going to take LCM. 3, 4 and 5. So all 3, they don't have any common factor. Simply we can multiply them. 3 into 4, 12 into 5, 60. So it means LCM of these 3 are 60. That is a big number. It's not a problem. We can do. So 4 by 3, all the denominator we have to convert into 63. So if I multiply 4 and 5, it means 4 5s are 20 because 3 left the 3. So still 4 and 5 we have, 4 5s are 20. So I'll multiply with 20. I got 60. Then 5 by 4. Then if you just remove 4, still 3 and 5 we have. 3 into 5, 15. So 4 into 15, 5 into 15. And plus 8 by 5 into, if you throw out 5, 3 into 4, 12 we have remaining. Now you can check. 320, 60. 4 into 15, 60. And 5 into 12, 60. So it means again we got like fractions. If unlike we have to convert as like. So we got 4 into 20, 80 by 60 plus 50 into 5, 75 by 60 and plus 12 into 8, that is 96 by 60. Now what we are going to do, add the numerators. 80 plus 75 plus 96 by 60. So add these 3. 6 plus 5 means 11, 1, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 17 plus 8. 251 by 60. This is the answer. I did directly. If you are doing like this, so you can add 80 plus 75 plus 96. 6 plus 5, 11. 0, simply 11. So 1. 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 7, 16 plus 9, 25. You will get 251. So 251 by 60 is the right answer. This we can convert as mixed when they will ask you. So how to convert improper into mix and mix into improper, that we will do later. So this is the addition of unlike fractions. Again copy this one. So we will start now subtraction of fractions or subtraction of unlike fractions. I will do only one example of subtraction of fractions. If we have 16 by 5 minus 7 by 10. So now 5 and 10, these are not like. So we have to take LCM, 5 and 10. 5 ones are, 5 twos are. Again, we can do 2, 1 and 1. So we got this 2. 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. It means 5 and 10, the LCM is 10. So we have to convert the denominator as 10. So 5 multiply with 2. This is already 10. So no need to do any changes. Now 16 into 2, 32 by 10 minus 7 by 10. Again we got the like fraction. I think after this it's going to be easy for you. Then 32 minus 7. Subtract the numerator and by 10. We got 32 minus 7. That is 25 by 10. But this we can simplify. the answer should always come in the least form. Then 5 number table, 5 2s are and 5 5s are. So we got the answer as 5 by 2. So this is the subtraction of unlike fractions. Hope it's clear for you. So if you like the video, please give some feedback in the comment box. And still doubt you have, that also you can ask in the comment box. Share the video with your friends so they can also get some benefit of this type of like questions and this type of basics. Thanks for watching.